This is the Kaiweets KC602 Smart AC/DC clam meter. It comes with a case, a user manual, and a multimeter clam meter, and props and temperature props. Now let's turn out the case Kaiweets KC602 AC/DC clam meter. We have to long press the power button to turn on. It's calibrating. Yes, and by the way, the temperature unit is Fahrenheit. Most of the countries use Celsius unit, including me. I'll show you how to change the temperature unit to Celsius. First, turn off the device, then um, hold the hold and flashlight button, then turn on, then then press 3 times, and you will get this like you one point. It's changed this. Now let's press the power button like this until you get this menu, and you have to click continuously uh, uh, why you and when you get the temperature option, you have to click select, and it will change to Celsius. And now we have to restart by turning off it and turning on it. And now it's calibrating. Now it's Celsius. Now I have turned the temperature unit from Fahrenheit to Celsius. Now let's start by saying how to use this smart AC/DC clamp multimeter. Now first there's a auto mode, that is green. When you put this clamp or in prop, it will automatically detect what units are this. And now if you click in auto fun this button, and it will go to ampere. Some multimeters have no DC DC unit. Only some multimeter clamp meters have DC unit. And this Kaiweets KC602 has DC unit. And now if we select here, it will go to AC unit. It will show it, and we can use the clamp meter and put the wires here, and you can see it will detect the ampere. Now we'll go to the next unit, that is voltage. Voltage as DC, it will detect the and by using the probe, I'll show you there's a cap for the probe. It's really easy to take out, and there's a negative and positive. We'll put the common probe here and the input probe here, and you can take off this cap for measuring, and you can measure and this AC voltage, and they select to DC voltage, and you can do and measure these units. Now next we'll go to ohm, the resistance, and you can measure the resistance using the probes. And next is the continuity, and you can again measure with the probes. And next is the diode test, you can check the diodes. And next is the millivolts, and you can test the millivolts by using probes. And next is the frequency, and you can you measure it using the probes. And this is the frequency, and you can measure it with the probes. And next is the capacitance test. You can measure it with the probes. And next is the temperature. And if you remove this and plug in this, one second, plug in this, and you can check the temperature of anything like water and substance and everything, and unplug. And this next is the non-contact voltage checking or live. If we point to anything like a AC plug and a AC adapter, that while it is plugged on the AC plug, it will show, this is a LED light here. It will, if it's high voltage, it will show here H hyphen H, and it will show here red. And if it's low voltage, it will show hyphen L, and it will be a green light. Okay, now we'll check voltage, DC voltage. First we have to connect the probes, input common right there, and take the ends, and now negative and positive we have to put here. Shows how many voltage this is 12 volt battery. It shows 13 because it has one more volt. It's 12 volt. Okay, now next is the diode. And wait a minute, we can check the continuity test by just it lights up. Okay, next is the diode checking. This is a diode, and you put here and here. One second. Here and here. It will show the voltage. We can check the diode is working by putting the black end to the cathode and the red end to the anode, and it will show if the diode is working. And by the way, LED is also a diode, and we can show that once it will light up when we put in the voltage. So, one second. Look at that, it will lights up, and it will light up when we put the correct spots. Like this. Okay, now next we can check the NCV live. We'll check the NCV by, this is a plug, and we can just turn on it, and look, the green light represents, look, H is high, and it is high, and look, it's low. So look, if we don't touch it, show low, high, low, and changing its color to red, and high means red and low means green. Okay, now we have checked everything, and thank you for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video for more techie videos. And uh, thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.